Hello and welcome back to my channel. Here we are going to talk about upcoming Microsoft Surface Pro 8 tablet. Microsoft will most likely to introduce a new Surface Pro hybrid tablet around October. It will be the 8th generation 2-in-1 laptop with a touchscreen, which can optionally be used with the digital pen and keyboard. Over the year, the tablet has become lighter, more powerful and more versatile. Nevertheless, the original design is clearly recognizable on the current model. The screen edge have been slightly reduced in order to create larger screen surface without increasing overall dimensions. The Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is expected to build on successful Windows tablet tradition. Microsoft kept with the 12.3-inch display on a Surface Pro, but we might see expanded with the Surface Pro 8, especially if the bezels are reduced. It's possible Microsoft will option for the 13-inch, but again we are only speculating. The Surface Pro 8 expected to come with the latest Intel Core U series processor. Alongside with the CPU, the Surface Pro 8 will likely to start with the 4GB of RAM and go up to 16GB. Storage on a Surface Pro 7 started at 128GB, but we had liked to see Microsoft take it up to 256GB SSD. The Surface Pro 7 was announced at the beginning of October 2019. Simultaneously with this even more advanced Surface Pro X, the new model is expected just in 45 days. The Surface Pro 6 and 7 were both introduced in October before going on sale. The Surface Pro 8 is also expected announced in October at the Microsoft Digital event. Hope you enjoy this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.